So you're interested in a turnstile, but are wondering if it's right for your establishment. Let's paint a picture, shall we? Whether it's a building site where you need sustained performance throughout the most rugged of conditions, or in an office where design and efficiency meet. Ooh, how about something faster paced? Take a college, for example, where speed and reliability are key. Oh, I know, what about a gym, where monitoring clients with simple access control is essential? Here at ThruLane, we have a wide selection of high-quality turnstiles and access control systems on offer, ranging from fingerprint recognition to proximity cards to facial recognition systems, ensuring our high-spec turnstiles can fit your business needs. All of our turnstiles are assembled and tested here at our factory in the UK, ensuring the highest standards are met before each turnstile leaves us and reaches you. Now that you've seen the possibilities, there's only one thing left to do. Visit us today at ThruLane.com or call us on 0208 965 4178 for more information.